In today's classes we are going to learn how to make stitch braids. I know I've been making stitch braid tutorial, but I've not used my sound to explain vividly to you guys, so today I decided to try it. So this is the hair we are going to make stitch braid with. Make sure you're cutting a little bit of the hair. You divide it into 3 equal parts. You divide into 3 equal parts and weave it for like 2 times. You weave it 2 times before you start stitching. So I'm not going to add my extension now. You know why? Because I want to get a pencil mouth, and that's what I expect both of you to do. You stitch for like 2 times. That's if the hair is thick. If the hair is not thick, you can start adding attachment after 1 hand. But if the hair is thick, you don't need to add attachment after 1 hand. So this is me adding attachment after 3 hands. And then when you are stitching your braid, make sure your stitches are going to be tiny. Anyway, it depends on the amount of hair you are using to stitch, but this particular one, the amount of hair is not really plenty like that. It's not really much, so we are going to be stitching it small so that it's going to make the weaving tight, and it's going to make the weaving more fine, and it will last as well. So I'm stitching from both sides using my nails. The reason why I'm stitching from both sides is because my nails are not long enough. I don't always take them off, so I prefer fixing them to the length I can carry and do even house chores with them. So I'm stitching from both sides. That's because my nails are not really that long. If I'm using comb, I might be stitching from just one side. So while stitching from both sides, make sure you're having a straight line. Make sure you're having a straight line. You stitch from both sides half, stitch the other side half again to complete it a straight line. And then making stitch braid, you have to be very patient, so you get what you want. Your client has to be patient as well. I'm making it very slow because I want you guys to understand everything. Not like that's how I make it usually. No, I'm making it very slow so you guys can understand it very well. So this is me stitching, adding my attachment bit by bit to get to the size of the braid I want. So let's go. Let's see what is going to give us. So now I'm trying to like hide the hair inside so the attachment will come out and the color mixture will blend. The color mixture, the color of the person, my client's hair, and the extension. So let's see what is going to give us. Let's see.